Water is the most essential thing for human life. And a lot of people, about 1 billion people around this world, don't have clean water. And so I felt I could maybe make a small, tiny difference in that field. So I started a water project called Splash. And we went out to Uganda and we created a solar-powered water purification system for a village of 6,000 people in Kiburara, Uganda. So I started my foundation a few years ago. My mom actually has her own nonprofit organization, and I would grow up watching her make enormous changes in our community, and it really inspired me. And I really wanted to make a change and do something. And I decided, okay, I'm gonna merge my passions for helping people and my passion for the environment, and create something out of it. And that's kind of how it all began. The community was very excited about this project. They were actually digging trenches and building structures and doing all this amazing work in preparation for the water system. And it was really a community effort. We all came together and it was the community's project, and we were able to achieve this goal that we had dreamt about for so long.
Thank you, Nika. Thank you, Nika.
Seeing all those kids around and all those people finally see the promise that I had made to them finally coming into fruition was an incredible feeling. It was very overwhelming. It was a very long process just trying to figure this all out. But, you know, Margaret Mead, this famous philosopher, once said, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world, for indeed it's the only thing that ever has." And that has kind of been the one quote that has gotten me as far as I've gotten, because I truly think that as long as you care and you're passionate and you're committed, you can do whatever you want, change the world. And I feel like a lot of my friends at UF Law and a lot of my classmates are doing just that as well.